Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue shells. First, gather your ingredients: 3 large egg whites, 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 150 grams of superfine sugar. It's crucial that your mixing bowl and whisk are absolutely clean and free of any grease, as this can prevent the meringue from forming correctly. Also, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit now, so it's ready when your meringue is prepared. Now let's get whipping. Combine your egg whites and cream of tartar in the clean bowl. Beat them on medium speed until you see soft peaks begin to form. This usually takes a few minutes. Next, slowly add the superfine sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuously beating. Once all the sugar is incorporated, increase your mixer speed to high and beat until the meringue is thick, glossy, and forms stiff peaks. With your perfect meringue ready, it's time to pipe. Carefully transfer the mixture into a piping bag fitted with your preferred nozzle. You can use a round tip for classic shells or a star tip for a decorative edge. Pipe small, uniform shells onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving a little space between each. Bake these delicate treats in your preheated oven for 1 hour, then turn off the oven and let them cool inside for 2 hours. Once cooled, your meringue shells are ready to be filled and enjoyed. It's important to let them cool completely inside the oven before you even think about touching them, as they are quite fragile when warm. For storage, place your cooled meringue shells in an airtight container at room temperature, where they will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. They are perfect for desserts or as a light snack. Also, for a smarter home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.